How's it going? Welcome back to the show. This is You Made Roscoe. I am Roscoe. And today we're going to be doing a reaction to the song Midnight in Harlem. And this is by Tedeschi Trucks Band. So we'll be checking this out as they perform this live. Before we get into it, I do want to ask for anybody who hasn't that they please subscribe to the channel. Also, make sure you hit the notification bell and also make sure that you go over to Tedeschi Trucks Band's homepage and do the same thing because we do want to support the artist. And yes, today is Blues Day Tuesday, so we're expecting that Tedeschi Trucks Band is going to bring us the blues and this title, the title of this song, Midnight in Harlem. That is a bluesy title to me. I'm expecting blues just because of the title alone, like Midnight in Harlem. But I do have a shout out to give. Let me see, who are we? Oh yeah, no. Glenn Birch is the one who suggested that I check this out. So Glenn, I want to say much love to you, bro. Thank you. I appreciate you, and we're gonna rock this out for Glenn and everybody else out there. Shit, let's go ahead and do it. Blues Day Tuesday. Let's do it.
Well, I came to the city. I was running from the pain. My heart was bleeding, and it hurt my bones to lay. Stayed in the city, no exception to the rules, to the rules. You was born to love me. I was raised to be a spool of the smooth. Walk that line, turn the world. Gotta spend your whole life trying. Ride that train and free your heart. It's midnight up in Harlem.
All right. I like this. I like this. This is a really smooth jam. Like so smooth. Let me push this back. Let's do that. And yeah, oh, they are doing a great job. Susan Tedeschi has a great voice, a beautiful voice. Able to go from being very powerful in some instances, to uh, doing or having a softer tone like this and still being able to be just as soulful, but just with a soft touch. But um great voice, great performance from her. um Got a husband over there on the side, Derek Trucks. I think his name is Derek, but yeah, no, the ergo, the name of the band, Tedeschi, her last name, and then Trucks, his last name, her exercising her feminism. Say, nah, I'm gonna roll with my name, and you go with your name. We could be married, but I like my name. Like, okay, right. I don't know how that went. I'm just messing around. But they're doing a great job. Bag Up Band is doing a great job. But yeah, just really, really laid back jam. I'm loving what I'm hearing so far. Let's continue.
City, no exception to the rules, You was born to love me. I was raised to be a spool of the smooth. Walk that line, turn the world. Gotta spend your whole life trying. Ride that train and free your heart. It's midnight up in Harlem. Well, I came to the river and I took a look around. There were old man's shoes, there were needles on the ground.
Oh,
No more mysteries, baby, no more secrets, no more clues. The stars are out there, you can almost see the moon. The streets are windy and the subway's closing down. Gonna carry this dream to the other side of town. Walk that line, tell the world. Gotta spend your whole life trying. Ride that train and free your heart. It's midnight up in Harlem.
I'm gonna stop this. Shout out to the brothers back there too with the background vocals. Ride that train. I'm loving that. But yeah, no, this song is reminding me of something that that could have been sung by a male LaRue or her with Groove Theory, but yeah, no, this has like one of those Groove Theory type of feels to it, you know. But and I'm not saying that a male LaRue and Susan Tedeschi sound the same because they don't. But just the feel of the song though. I could very well see like a male singing this song though. Like the song lyrics, the music vibe, like all you would be doing is like subbing out the ladies, and then make it do what it do. But yeah, no, this is like a really, really like this song is nice, really, really nice. And yeah, no, I'm gonna just keep it going.
The streets are windy and the subway's closing down. Gonna carry this dream to the other side of town. Walk that line, tell the world. Gotta spend your whole life trying. Ride that train and free your heart. It's midnight up in Harlem. Ooh.
Yeah, he over there giving you something slight, not nothing too crazy, not nothing too crazy, but crazy enough, like not too crazy. But he not pulling the tricks out the bag, I'm pretty sure he know a few, but no, Trucks is doing a great job. I pushed it back, so let's go ahead and finish out. Buddy. Yes, sir. Finito, Benito. All right, let's push it back her. All right, and that was Tedeschi Trucks Band with Midnight in Harlem. And that was a great performance by the band. Um, uh, great music. They did a great job. The band on the music sounded great. The background singers, they did a great job. They did a really, really great job, really smooth by those two dudes. Um, Susan, she sounded excellent, very, very smooth as well, just like I said earlier, just showing like a gentler touch vocally, but still sounding soulful and sounding beautiful. And that was great to hear. Um, uh, Derek Trucks on over there, if that's his name. I believe it's Derek, but yeah, Trucks was doing a great job. Um, this was a really, really solid song. Really, really solid song. I like the song lyrics too, but it throws me, like I said, in a mindset of like groove theory stuff. Also, uh that there's it sounds like something that could be like like on a Spike Lee soundtrack to like uh what's the one blues movie that I'm forgetting about? Like I don't know why I'm forgetting about that joint with Denzel. Oh, Mo Better Blues. Mo Better Blues. There you go. But yeah, no, this seemed like for some odd reason I feel like this could have been on that soundtrack, but um yeah, no, just a really chill feel, a little more different, it didn't at some instances it almost doesn't feel like a straight blues song, almost like a just like well, a mid-tempo R&B, like joint, but No, it's got blues. It's written all over it. Just listening to the song lyrics, like some rough stuff going on of just, syringes. Just like you walking on syringes and all that type of shit. It's like, oh no, it's the name of this should have been Hell Up in Harlem, like named after the movie with Fred Williamson, like Hell Up in Harlem, which was a great black exploitation movie. I love that movie and all the movies that accompany with it. It was like a little franchise, but yeah, no, great stuff. Uh, we're gonna go ahead and I'm gonna just I'm gonna do two thumbs. I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna do that. Like I was gonna rock with one, but they did a really great job with this. They really did. It was just smooth as hell. I keep on harping back to that because that's what I keep on feeling when I once I when I was listening to this, and when I think on it, I'm just like, yeah, just smooth track. But um I'm leaving, but before I do, like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell, hit the share button, hit the playlist options. I'll end up putting it in. Uh, I do because I have a Susan Tedeschi playlist. I'll end up putting it in that, but also, of course, Tedeschi Trucks Band, um, uh, a playlist for them. I do have as well, so as a group. Um, so yeah, no, both of those as well as the Blues Day Tuesday reactions playlist. So that's three separate playlists that you'll end up seeing this in, as well as anything else that's going to go into any one of those playlists. I do have playlists for the artists, a lot of great music by those artists, lots of great stuff. Just lots of great playlists, just playlists of the Yang Yang. So just check out the playlist is what I'm trying to get to. Cash App, $ you made Roscoe, PayPal at you made Roscoe. Super thanks option is available for those who like to show their support or appreciation for what's being done on the page. Any donations, those will be made to any one of those spots. Um, well, to be honest, I'd much prefer if you're gonna do that, like do Cash App or the PayPal, but if you want to do, super thanks. I'm not gonna stop you, but or I can't anyway. I don't have that type of power, I'm not Professor X, I make people just do like you know go to the PayPal and the Cash App. Like, you know what? I'm just gonna, yeah, no. Even if I had that power, I would. I like people to have their own choice. I wouldn't want to manipulate the situation. So, even though that sounds like a fun power to have, you know what I mean, to be able to have. What is it? Is that telekinesis or that's telepathy? I believe. Yeah, that's telepathy. But yeah, no, yeah, no, because telekinesis is that's ain't that moving stuff with your mind. That's that stuff. Why am I talking about that stuff? I don't know. But yeah, I'm gonna leave before I get to rambling any further. I will see you guys again soon. So until next time, be safe and be good.